This is Get Prepared with Augason Farms. Here's your host, Augason Farms President, Nathan Yearsley.
I'm Nathan Yearsley, President of Emergency Preparedness Food Provider, Augason Farms. And together with the Family Channel and Heartland, we want to help you and your family get prepared. Power outages can be a frightening experience, but planning ahead will help ease any anxieties. To prepare for power outages, you need a plan. Gather essential supplies, such as an alternative power source, a well-stocked emergency kit, and a way to keep informed during the outage. Discuss plans with your family. What needs to be done during a power outage? Where you'll be going if you need to leave your home. Have your electric and gas company's emergency numbers on hand should you need to understand how to shut off utilities. Take account for any medical needs. Priority items would include small foldable solar panels paired with portable power stations for your laptops and small appliances, LED headlamps and lanterns, especially rechargeable USB versions. And losing power doesn't mean going hungry. You can prepare meals with safe, simple cooking alternatives such as sterno and butane stoves that are fine for indoor use. Clean water is essential. Know how to store it and keep it safe if your tap stops working. And one more thing. Do practice runs. A no power drill where you cook dinner, light the house, and charge devices will help everyone in your family know what to do beforehand. Come on, let's get prepared.
For more information or to have Augason Farms meals, fruits, vegetables, egg, dairy, and dessert products delivered to your home, visit AugasonFarms.com.